Bumbo! Already! Blood cleat! Already tree a tear down! Down so clear now in a dump for some more beer that over so you know. That's a go blower.
The latest right now, full attention. The Met Office says the eye of the hurricane is not as clearly defined as it previously was. So the system could wobble as it approaches the island. The center of the Category 4 storm, which the Met Office said remains dangerous, is forecast to pass near over the island's southern coastline from east to west between noon and 8 p.m. today. Rainfall associated with the core of the hurricane is expected to migrate across the island over the next couple of hours. Heavy rainfall and gusty winds have already been affecting sections of eastern St. Thomas. Rainfall totals of 100 to 200 millimeters, 4 to 8 inches are forecast for most areas over the period, with higher amounts in higher evaluations.